Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. And for today's video, I will show you 3 ways to solve the exercise. So how about you? How many ways that you can solve the exercise? So now let's start with the first way. For the first way, this exercise become to 4 power 1 over 2 multiplied by 3. Because the power rule A power m is equal A power m multiplied by n. So now we get 4 power 3 over 2. And then I split 3 over 2 into terms. So we get 4 power 2 over 2 plus 1 over 2. And then we use the power rule A power m plus n is equal A power m multiplied by A power n. So now we get 4 power 2 over 2 multiplied by 4 power 1 over 2. And this we get 4. And for the power of 1 over 2 is the square root of 4 because the rule A power m over n is equal the n root of A power n. So if we have A power 1 over 2 is equal the square root of A. So the square root 4, we can write it as the square root of 2 square. And the square root of 2 square is 2. So we get 4 multiplied by 2. So the result is 8. Okay. So now let's move to the second way. For the second way, our exercise is 4 power 1 over 2 and power 3. So now we get 4 power 1 over 2 multiplied by 3 is 4 power 3 over 2. Now we can use the rule, the power rule A power m over m is equal the n root of A power m. So now we get the square root of 4 power 3. So I can write it into 2 factors. So 4 over 3 is 4 square multiplied by 4. And then we get the square root of 4 square multiplied by 2 square. So now you can split it into factors. Okay, so I can write it as the square root of 4 power 2 multiplied by the square root of 2 square. So now we get the final answer is 4 multiplied by 2 is equal 8. Okay, so now let's move to the easiest way to solve the exercise. Okay, for the easiest way is the number, the expression is 4 power 1 over 2 and power 3. So now we can change 4 power 1 over 2 into the square root of 4 and power 3. You know the square root of 4, we can write it as 2 square and power 3. The square root of 2 square is 2. So now we get 2 power 3. And the result, the final result is 8. Yes, this is the easiest way that you can solve this exercise. Okay, so see you in the next video. I hope you understand. If you can find another way, you can comment below my video. Bye bye.